Yo, what's good people? Welcome to the video. Now today I'm going to show you how to start your calisthenics journey in the comfort of your own home or in a park. And for this video I'm going to show you some simple exercises that you can do to target your whole body. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so let's start off with the chest, guys. So first exercise is the push-ups. I'm sure you've all seen it. Standard exercise to do for your chest. And to make it easier, what you can do is go on your knees and perform assisted push-ups. So that way you're pushing up a lot less of your body weight, making it a lot easier. If you want to make it harder, what you can do archer push-ups. Like so. Put your arms out wide and push down. Another variation that you can do is called the pseudo planche push-ups. So what you want to do is you want to put your hands out a little bit wider and turn your palms outwards. So your arms are facing outwards and you lean forward and you press. Now this will target much more of your shoulders as well as your chest. Now let's move on to the back. You want some back gains, right? So the first exercise you're gonna do is the body weight row. A very simple exercise to do, and it's really good for building up that strength in your back. Once you get very good at the rows and you want a bit more of a challenge, then you can move on to doing pull-ups. Like so, watch this. This is pull-ups. Another way to target your back is to do chin-ups. And this is where your grip is facing towards you. Make sure your chin goes above the bar. Now let's start with some arms, and we're going to start with triceps. So in order to target your triceps, you're going to do tricep extensions. It's a very simple exercise to do, like so. Bang. And pressing up with your triceps. And to switch up, now you can do diamond push-ups. And you want to have your hand in a diamond position, like so, and press down. And you're really going to feel it in your triceps. Another way to target your triceps is to do tricep dips. All you need is a chair, like so, arms together, and push down, and then up. Now let's move on to the biceps. We want some big guns, right? So for that, we're going to do the body weight curl. So what you're going to do is curl your body weight using the bar, like so. Make sure your elbows come all the way up. To really gain some strength and size on your biceps, you can do chin-ups as well, like I demonstrated earlier, and this will also target your biceps. Now let's move on to the shoulders, guys. And for that, we're going to do pike push-ups. So what you have to do is get yourself into a pike position like so, and press down. And you really feel it on your shoulders. Now, once the pike push-ups gets too easy for you and you want more of a challenge, you can do elevated pike push-ups. So again, all you need is a chair or a bench, something to put your feet on. Of course, we can't skip legs, guys. And for that, we've got the bodyweight squat. Simple exercise to do. And just come down and up. And after that, what you can do is bodyweight lunges. So you're gonna go like so, and that's really going to target your quads. Next, we've got an underrated exercise to do, and that is called the sissy squats. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold on to something, and you're going to perform a squat in a different version like this now. Watch what I'm doing, like so. But make sure you hold on to something tight for assistance, and it keeps you more stable. So there you have it, people. This is how you start your calisthenics journey in the comfort of your own home. Now you ain't got no excuses and you know what exercises to do. So let's get it started, let's get to it. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.